Hello, my friends. Welcome to my new video for the week. This week's video will be interesting because we're here at Zone Bowling to celebrate my son's birthday. My son has invited his friends for this celebration, and we are all really pleased to be here to celebrate this beautiful occasion. There are several games available here, but today we intend to go bowling for 30 minutes, followed by laser tag for 30 minutes, and then arcade games for 45 minutes. Once all of the activities are finished, we will move to the party area to cut the birthday cake and serve some food. So, the bowling has begun. All the kids are quite enthusiastic to toss the ball and hit the pins. There will be 2 hosts to run our games and party. There are 3 sets of players, and they compete with one another. The youngsters are quite excited.
Yeah, we've got it.
Now that the kids have finished bowling, we're moving on to the laser tag play area. For laser tag, several parents are also participating in order to have fun. Everyone is geared up and ready for action. These parents are thoroughly enjoying the game. So, this is the laser tag scoreboard, and you can see that there are two teams. One is a red squad, while the other is blue. Red won the game since it had just 8 players, whereas the blue team had more. If there are more players, it is easier to get hit. If there are less players, it is very difficult to get hit, and so the red team won the championship. After the laser tag, one of the hosts distributes the tags to the children who need them for the arcade games. This little one is thoroughly loving the bike game. Later, my son joined in on the bike riding game. You can watch the technician repairing this game system, which has some faults.
Super.
So, here's the party room. My wife is busy preparing the kids' birthday return gifts. So, after the activities are over, the kids arrive, and it's time to cut the cake. Finally, the time has come to cut the birthday cake. My son is quite pleased to celebrate this year's birthday with his buddies at Zone Bowling. After serving and eating the food, it's time for the birthday boy to collect the unique tickets, which contain points that may be exchanged for prizes at the gift store. The birthday boy will be asked to walk inside this glass booth. He has to collect all of the tickets with varying points while the wind blows from the bottom. It's quite difficult to grab the tickets with this strong wind. My youngster has grabbed several tickets. With the points from the collected tickets, he can now claim various prizes. So, this is the gift shop, where everyone can get gifts in exchange for points earned from arcade games. Each child was able to receive a present based on the number of points they earned after playing each arcade game. The birthday boy will get more points, allowing him to receive a significantly larger present. So, finally, my friends, we had a great time here. We've spent approximately 3 hours of our amazing time here. Thus, one of our all-time favorite memories was made on this day at Zone Bowling. I suppose you all have enjoyed this video. Please support my channel by liking and subscribing, since this will help it to grow. Thank you again for joining me, and have a lovely remaining of your day. Thank you, and stay smiling.